Says green. Let's go. There's a lot of water there, guys, on the road. A lot of water.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's.
So guys, I'm on my way to the pharmacy, guys. Come along with me. And the road is wet, guys. Rain was pouring earlier. So as you can see, where there is water on the road. So we are on the stoplight here, guys. It says green. Let's go. There's a lot of water there, guys, on the road. A lot of water. Lots of water, guys. Lots of water on the road. Now I'm entering the gas station where the pharmacy is. Yes, guys, I'm going to the pharmacy, right? And the rain is coming as well. Yeah, so this is the gas station here. Hey, sir.
Hi, Mom.
Let me see what I have here. Oh, so I wanted 1 week of the first one here. Yes, and the bottom one. Yeah. So 1 week of the first one, 1 week of the second one, which is the coating of the stomach, And then you give me the bottom one as well.
Yes, man, the rain come down sweet.
One look at the first one look at the second one.
Yes, coating of the stomach. And the bottom one.
Look at the bottom one.
Huh?
Watch up the bottom one.
Oh, the bottom one go. It's not one pack? Oh, it go.
60 tablet. That's what night. Dull color.
60? How much was that?
2,200.
Oh, pull up. Give me.
Got the second one too at 7,000.
No, so you're going to give me.
Cheaper brand.
Yes, 1 week. Because the second one, the first one, you normally give me for 1,009. Something right there, so.
How much is the second one they want? Stomach one.
1 week, 1 year. Both
How
of
much is
them.
the last one they want?
Give me half.
Half? Everything at 3,140.
See, you take all of my money already? Oh, Jesus. Alright, fix up that. No, not again. Not again, my dear. So you have any mineral oil out here? Mineral oil. Extreme? Okay. So I wanted a mineral oil here. That's right. Yeah. It's a mineral oil. Yes. And this is Rove iodine solution. This one is excellent for bacteria, right? Bacteria on the skin. It is germs, burns, cut. Yes, I needed this one as well. Oh, star more here. Okay. Thank you, my dear. Yes. Alright. Okay, sir.
Everything in the bag.
Everything.
Yep.
Alright, thank you very much. So guys, I got all that I wanted now from the pharmacy. Heading home and the rain is pouring. Lots of water on the road, guys. Lots of water.